Good evening and welcome to Business. My name is Boni Tunya. Amongst the most corrupt institutions in Kenya is an odd entity, the accounting sector, which ironically is supposed to be the custodian of financial integrity. But over the years, the sector has been found to be abetting major crimes instead of entrenching good governance in both private and public firms. But now a new push seeks to change this state of affairs and make the accounting once more the bastion of integrity in the country. Here now is Adelaide Changola with that report.
All of Kenya's corruption scandals, including Goldenberg, Triton and Anglo Leasing, have exposed major weaknesses in the country's financial systems. But even more crucially, they have exposed the level of complicity that accountants, as the people who balance the books, and the accounting and auditing fraternity in general have had in the corruption scandals themselves.
In fact, the popular joke goes that if you want to evade your taxes or avoid your taxes, talk to the accountant. He will give you two sets of financial statements, one for the taxman and one properly for the bank.
The result has been a reduction in financial transparency and accountability, the loss of billions of taxpayer shillings, and the growing lack of faith in the accounting institution and the practitioners in the sector.
Our profession is the one that is infiltrated most by what we call the quacks.
But this could soon change following the signing of a 60 million shilling grant between the World Bank and the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Kenya, ICPAK. The deal seeks to establish strong accounting and auditing standards throughout the country in a bid to limit the misuse of both private and public resources and encourage good governance.
Grant is helping put the system together and the framework to make sure that things happen in a transparent manner.
County governments have come under scrutiny for failure to exercise prudent financial management, with more than half spending huge amounts of their monies on allowances and other unnecessary expenses and leaving their counties with little or no money for development.
Specifically, the grant will enable ICPAK to support the devolution process by providing advisory services in setting up of the county government's financial structures.
The grant will be used to facilitate the training of small and medium-sized auditors and trainee accountants so as to strengthen the public financial management system, particularly at county level.
It should be a strengthened internal control environment at the county level that would both detect and prevent practices that are not consistent with good financial governance.
The grant will also enable ICPAK to upgrade its ICT systems, which will go a long way to increasing transparency and accountability in the sector and thereby decreasing cases of corruption both at the national and county levels.
The more you strengthen your system, the more you strengthen your legal framework, and the more you computerize, the less corrupted practice.
The 60 million shilling grant will be implemented over an 18-month period. Adelaide Changole, KTN Business.